Okay. So hi, I'm Oren from Intellithings, and this is RoomMe. RoomMe is a sensor that identifies who are the specific people in a room and enables you to create personalized automation scenes for the devices that you already have. RoomMe doesn't replace the controller that you already have. It works as a layer on top of the controller that you already use or the device that you already have. So this is the RoomMe sensor. It is installed on the ceiling at the entrance of your room or any room where you want to create personalized experience in. The RoomMe sensor works in a way that it creates a BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy curtain at the entrance of the room, and it recognizes you by your smartphone. So when you enter through the curtain, the sensor connects to the RoomMe application on the phone, let it know that you're in the room, and then the RoomMe application goes and controls the room according to whatever you've set it to do in the room. So based on your personalized experience or personalized settings for your light, music, thermostat, the RoomMe app will go and set the room for you right when you enter. And we have introduced new integrations with RoomMe. Some of these integrations you can see here on the wall. The Wing system, HomeKit, Sensible for AC control, and professional system integrations. When RoomMe works with any of the smart home hubs that you already have, such as Wing and soon with SmartThings, it can actually control any of the devices that you have hooked to these hubs, Z-Wave, Zigbee devices, or any other device that you already have on these hubs, and create personalized experience right when you enter the room. RoomMe is a CES Innovation Awards honoree in the smart home category, and today at CEDIA we've also received the CEPro Best Award trophy. Basically, you can get RoomMe today. RoomMe is available on Amazon.com, so go and get it.
Thank you for joining us here in Denver at the CEDIA Expo to check out all the latest smart home technology. You can find more information about the company we visited and their products in the information box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appbyhome.com.
Thank you.
Thank you.